The hidden power of castor oil compresses, a natural remedy for healing. Imagine discovering a simple, natural remedy that can penetrate deeper than any other oil, breaking down stubborn bumps. What if this remedy could help dissolve bone spurs, cysts, sags, and even aid in managing fibroids? The secret behind castor oil? Unlike other oils, castor oil possesses the unique ability to penetrate deeply into tissues. Where it goes, it works. Its magic breaking up congestion, dissolving adhesions, and even assisting in the healing of conditions that seem immovable. For instance, bone spur that has been there for years may take months to resolve, but with consistent use, castor oil compresses have shown incredible results. But let's be clear, this isn't just a simple poultice. A castor oil compress, it doesn't just sit on the surface. It absorbs into your body, delivering its healing power exactly. How to use a castor oil compress? Applying a castor oil compress is simple, yet the results can be profound. 1. Prepare the pack. Take a soft cloth or pad and generously apply castor oil. 2. Protect your clothing. Place a plastic sheet beneath the pad to prevent oil stains. 3. Let it soak in. Once applied to the body, allow the oil to penetrate for at least 30 minutes or even overnight. 4. Reuse and repeat. After use, fold it over and reapply with a little more oil for the next session. Real-life transformations. Many individuals have experienced remarkable improvements using castor oil compresses. One woman successfully managed her breast cancer by applying them regularly. Another young girl, diagnosed with a fibroid that doctors insisted required surgery, chose to follow a natural route using wild yam cream to balance estrogen and applying castor oil compresses to her abdomen. Over time, the fibroid reduced significantly. For those suffering from joint pain, congested chest, or even digested chest, some people apply them over the liver and gallbladder to support detoxification. The best way to use it for optimal results, consistency is key. Whether you're treating sore joints, bone spurs, or digestive discomfort, applying the compress regularly ensures deeper penetration and faster results. Some people prefer to wear the compress overnight, allowing the warmth of their body to enhance absorption. For faster relief, placing a warm water bottle over the compress can help accelerate the process. Why not just rub it on? You might wonder, why not just apply the oil directly? Correctly, a compress holds more oil and sauces. The final word, castor oil compresses may seem simple, but their potential is profound. From breaking down adhesions to easing pain and promoting natural healing, they offer a powerful, time-tested remedy for various ailments. Whether you're looking to soothe sore joints, support your liver, or tackle a stubborn cyst, this natural approach could be the key to transformation. Why not try it for yourself? The results might just surprise you. Subscribe now and watch this video next.